I found the body. It was to the left of that first room.
Near electrical?
That is where I saw Kimberly at.
Yes. Electrical.
Kimberly!
Yes.
Oh.
I didn't see anything. I was doing the wires.
This might hurt a little.
I'm having a panic attack. Ah! Are you waiting here? Ah! This is bull. I don't have any friends.
You can find me standing at the foot of your bed when you have sleep paralysis.
Yeah.
Hooray! I did it! No!
Oh my god.
Bro, I am going to physically puke, and it's all Shara's fault.
Listen. You were a little son.
Shut the up! You can never! You are the biggest third imposter I've ever played with.
I just want to say the reason why I can't speak up is because Shara, I would say the, and she'd be like, no! And I'm like, excuse me, you didn't let me finish. I can't even complete a coherent sentence without you jumping in my throat.
Get her ass!
All right, Andy, how y'all really feel?
Lizzo was with me in the cafeteria. I thought I was gonna get murdered.
I thought you
where was the body found?
Me too. I panicked.
Cut to the chase.
I'm putting my trust in Anne now, and nope. I was wrong. I was wrong. No, I was so wrong.
Oh, rest in peace. The resistance is gone.
The Raiden Shogun took out the resistance, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, victory to the Raiden Shogun.
I saw a vent when I was leaving the stabilizer.
Wait, what?
You know, I haven't seen Among Us this entire time.
Anne, what do you have to say about that?
Okay. In my defense, I was hanging out at the tree.
That's where the murders are!
How is that a defense? How is that a defense? You literally...
Why would you say tree? I panicked and I was like, what are the rooms in this level? Tree! Ah!
Please actually be an imposter.
I feel strongly about this. We're good.
I feel great about it.
Were we right?
Nice. The resistance has been avenged.
Yes!
Where is she? No!
You know how when like Goofy falls off a cliff?